Hi, I'm Sam with Viral Media Network. Now today we're here on another edition of Local Bay Area Hikes, checking out the Tennessee Valley Trails. We're here in the Tennessee Valley in Marin County, part of the Reyes National Seashore. This is a great, unique area. This hike is very approachable. It's right off of 101. You just come off 101 up the Tennessee Valley Road, about 2 miles. There's plenty of parking. It's right near the Miwok stable, so you can even rent horses and do this hike with horses if you want to. It's 2 miles in, 2 miles out. You get to this great Tennessee Valley beach. Along the way, there's some great coastal chaparral. It's very approachable. It can get busy. Normally, these hikes that I show you are the lesser known, sort of tucked away hikes. This is a little bit more popular. However, you can get here on good times, like say during the weekday or early mornings, and you beat the crowd. So like I said, you'll get some nice coastal chaparral. There's 2 ways to go. If you're on a bike, you can take the more fire road, and you'll notice we'll verge off to the left for a single track hiking. Make sure to take your binoculars because there's some great views once we get to the coast. There's great birds, great other wildlife. Make sure to bring plenty of water and a nice snack and maybe a blanket so you can chill out on the beach. I'm Sam with Viral Media Network. We're gonna have a great day, and we also want to thank Mike Q Video for doing the drone footage you'll see. We've enhanced, this is a new enhancement on this edition of Local Bay Area Hikes. We'll go see what the trail has to offer us. Now the Tennessee Valley Beach and Trail get its namesake from a ship, an old wooden ship named the Tennessee. It crashed on this beach in 1853. It was carrying mail and other cargo and 600 passengers. Well, all the cargo and mail were destroyed, but all 600 passengers survived, and they named this beach in this valley after the Tennessee ship. All right, we're about a half mile in, and you notice the paved trail ends, and if you stay straight, you go towards Tennessee Beach. You veer off left on the paved trail, it's just a picnic area, but it's pretty nice if you just want to stop there and take a picnic. But let's go into the beach. We'll see some great views, some waves crashing, and like I said, some coastal chaparral. So look out for wildlife, and definitely with your binoculars when we get out to the coast, check out for some great birds flying around. That's Mike Q on the drone, Tennessee Valley. All right, we've made it to one last junction point, and this is simply whether or not you want to stay on the fire road or go on the single lane trail. Now the single lane, you get a little bit more nature, but it's essentially the same distance. We're halfway there. We've gone 1 mile, we've got 1 mile to go, and you're gonna see some great views and catch some great waves at the beach, and you know, chill out there for a little bit, sunbathe if you want, skinny dip, and then when you want to, head back, and it's a quick 2 miles back to the parking lot. And you'll notice off too to the left before you get to the beach, there's a nice lagoon, some other great opportunities for great bird watching.
All right, we've made it here to the beach, and it's a pretty easy hike in, but obviously some spectacular views. It's a pretty small beach. You gotta make sure to check the high and the low tide schedule. Make sure not to come out here at high tide, or else you're gonna miss the beach and not really have too much to enjoy. You notice off to the right, there's a little overlook. It's a pretty strenuous hike up there, but quick. You can check out the overlook, some great views. You'll see the little island just off the rocks. Bird sanctuary out there. It's only accessible by birds and other wildlife, so you might even see some sea lions and stuff. And you know, there, enjoy. It's the Tennessee Valley and Beach hike, 4-mile round trip, 2 miles each way. It's killer, and it's really approachable from 101, just on the other side of Golden Gate Bridge or Richmond Bridge. Hope you enjoyed this video, another episode of the Local Bay Area Hikes. You can check out more great local Bay Area hikes on this playlist, or check out other great videos on the Viral Media channel. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to thumbs up and leave a comment. Do you like it? Do you hate it? I'll use your suggestions in creating our content. We want to make sure you're liking our content. Hope you're liking this view. And make sure you dip your toes. Every time I'm at the beach, I love to dip my toes. So make sure you, what am I saying about high tide? We better get out of here before we get swept up. All right, we'll see you on the next Local Bay Area Hike.